welcome back to the homestead, except we are all four of us, leaving the homestead today. We are heading off to visit the Ostrich farm that's not too far from us. They have some babies apparently. I personally have never seen a baby ostrich, at least in person. I don't think anyone in the car has seen a baby. Anyone? So we're gonna go tour that, and if it's not too expensive, Dave and I are even gonna pick up some ostrich meat to hopefully share with you. If not in this video, it will be in a very soon video. We'll see. I don't know. I think it's frozen, so it's probably gonna be a later video. But yeah, we're gonna try it because I have found out all kinds of things about ostrich meat, and I'm gonna share that right here with you. It's crazy. There was only one thing I knew about ostriches, and that's what their eggs equal 24 chicken eggs, one of their eggs. That's all I knew about them. That, and they terrify me. I'm not gonna lie. They terrify me. You can buy feed today and feed them. I don't know if I'll be doing that. I guess it depends on how you feed them. Aiden, he's been really wanting to see the ostriches, right, bud? And why? Why do you want to see the ostriches so bad?
Why do I want to see the ostrich?
Because of what your friends call you.
Oh, yeah.
His friends call him an ostrich because you're the tallest one of your group.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, and yeah, and it's a local farm, so we love doing that, supporting a local family, and I'm excited to go check them out. We know the kids will not be trying the ostrich meat. That's fine. I don't expect them to. But yeah, it's nice, the four of us actually leaving the homestead to get all four of us to go do something fun. So we are on our way. do that with one of our chicken eggs. Woohoo!
My wish is that you don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. I'm running, and you should too, and hit that subscribe button. I know what you've been asking yourself. How can I make a difference? I'm just one person.
I can make a difference, but I'm just one person.
Well, my friends, I'm here to tell you that it's free, quick, and easy. Share this video on your social media and make that difference today.
So that was fun, and I have to say those baby ostriches, much cuter than I thought they were going to be. Very, very cute. David got pecked. He got a little too close trying to get footage for you all, and as that sign said that I shared with you, they like shiny things, and I think they wanted the phone. But we got a 4-pack of ostrich burgers for $25 that we are gonna try. I think that's probably the easiest thing to try first, because it can be tricky to cook, apparently. So we're gonna try them. It probably will not be in this video because we had hamburgers 2 nights ago, but we'll definitely be sharing it in a video coming up very soon. So now we're gonna go, where are we gonna go, Aiden?
I don't know.
Magnet fishing. You tell these kids things they forget in 5 minutes. So we're gonna go do a little magnet fishing. We're gonna share that along with you too. And yeah, what'd you guys think?
I thought it was cool.
Cool.
Yeah,
Very cool.
It was fun. Feeding them was fun. I think they've been open about 2 hours. I think they've been fed a lot already, and it was just interesting. I can't believe how long they live. I told David, well, don't have to worry about me wanting to raise ostrich now. 70 years on a farm. That's a long time. And how long did she say it takes those eggs to hatch? 42 days? 42 days it takes for an egg to hatch, but they've already hatched out a lot already this year, so that was pretty cool. So yeah, I enjoyed it, and we'll definitely be coming back. I don't know if they're open. I think they closed, they said Thanksgiving weekend for the tours, but it might be fun to come back. Oh, maybe we can bring Nanny and Papa. If they close after Thanksgiving weekend, they won't be here. We'll see when they open, but yeah, they might get a kick walking around. So, okay, off to find some treasures in the water.
They're gonna appreciate you cleaning it.
You do, David.
What did I do? I threw that treasure chest I got back.
No,
And
no.
what?
What did you lose, David?
I didn't lose anything.
Yes, you did.
No.
You got it back because we used the other
I
magnet.
got it back anyway. When I walked in and got it.
What happened?
Nothing happened.
I'll tell you what happened. He threw it and he forgot to hang on to the edge, and boom, and it went. We had to fish it back out with Aiden's.
I fished it back out. I knew exactly what I was doing. Hold on.
Boys are gonna go try a few spots. We've come back to Trenton here. Grace isn't feeling so great. And once we're home, I think I'm staying home too. The boys like to go out and do their magnet fishing, and gives them some time together, which I love. And I've got a lot to do. But before I wrap up this video, I wanted to show you my sunflowers have started to bloom. And this one, I think this is the first time I've ever had this happen. This one has multiple. I mean, there's one there that's not even bloomed, but it has multiple. There's more and more, all on one stalk. I don't think I've ever, I mean, they're everywhere on one stalk. I've never had that happen. It's cool. I think this is more, but truly, see, it's just one big stalk and they're all coming off that one. So that's kind of neat. And then over here, of course, oh, I got morning glories. Boy, they are invasive. Are they ever? Wrapping right around but these are the new varieties I grew this year, so I'm really anxious to see them. But yeah, I just had to share with you all. It's doing pretty good, and One more thing before we wrap up. My elderberries. So many elderberries this year. So many elderberries. That wraps up this video for today. I hope you enjoyed going to the ostrich farm with us. We really enjoyed it. Much more than we thought we would. It was a lot of fun, learned a lot of things. The kids really enjoyed it. Aiden's been talking about it pretty much the whole time. Like when we left, he was talking about all kinds of things about them. So that's always a good sign that you had a good time. And we're really anxious to try the ostrich burgers. So make sure you come back. Don't forget to hit the bell so you can see the videos that are coming out, including the ostrich burgers. That's going to be fun. And before you know it, it is going to be the 1st of August. Every Bit Counts challenge is right around the corner. So until then, take care, God bless, and we'll see you all soon.